Now I will decorate the texture pendant in the way that I'm going to fill these holes with green and black color. I will do this with a toothpick. I just broke one end and I will use it instead of brush because it is more precise. So I will take a little bit of green and put it all around in the holes. There is some piece of wood. With toothpick you have better command. Okay. And now I will take a very watery black paint and put a little bit in each hole so it joins, mixes with green. So when it dries, it will become deep dark green. And I will add a little bit more water with this thin brush. Oops, never mind. So the holes will be better filled. And the water will dilute and join the paint, both paints. If there is some unwanted spot later on, you can correct it with this base terracotta color. Now it reminds me some old excavation. See you in the next step. These two pendants for decoupage are now dry, but I'm not satisfied with this color. It's too screaming, so I will take it off with a 360 sanding paper. I think it's okay now. There's some residues from sanding. So I'm going to add a few drops of violet and mix it with white and paint over this pink. Even more white, so I will get luck. Okay, that's it. It's time now to start decoupage. First, you decide what napkin you will apply. For example, I have here a quarter of a napkin, this one, and I will put on these two little roses, and on this one I will choose butterflies. You can go and cut with scissors around, but firstly you need to separate the plies. The napkin can be 3-ply or 2-ply or even 1-ply, and you need to take only the upper layer This is something I will not need now. And there are two other layers. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to separate them. Okay. And what I recommend, and many other people who work with decoupage recommend to tear the motif. So I will tear this little rose and I will go a little bit wider so that I don't tear something that I want to keep. And you go around, and now we have one rose, and here is the other. Somehow it will go like this. So this is one pendant, and for this one I'm going to tear butterflies. I will take this one as bigger. Okay, this is one. And let's take this small one as its pair. And of course, I could combine one rose and one little butterfly. Now you understand why I said that the color, the basic color of the pendant, needs to be brighter than the motif. If it's not, motif will not discern. All these I will keep for later. In the end, I decided to change this and to put together one rose and one butterfly on each pendant. And I will separate these little tiny roses from this butterfly. So the butterfly will go here, the rose here, and this little branch with two roses here. And it will look something like that. And when I cut the roses and the butterflies, I noticed that here in the middle of this napkin there is a very pale contour of a girl. I will take this out and put in the middle of this pendant. I never finish when I work with decoupage. I always want to add something more. And you see, now when I tear this out, I see there is writing here, handwriting. So I will use this also to add small pieces wherever there is space. Okay, this is for this step, and now we are going to the next one.